Okay, dear students, question number 38 completed. Page number 262. Page number 262. 39, 40, 41, 42, 44, 45 completed. 43 we are not completed. Now I will discuss about 43. Page number 262. Page number 262. Page number 262. Page number 262. Problem number 43. Problem number 40. Okay. The empirical formula of gaseous compound is CH2. Empirical formula equal to CH2. Gaseous compound. Empirical formula CH2. The density of the compound 1.25 gram per liter. Density equal to 1.25 gram per liter. The molecular formula of the compound. Weight of 1 liter of gas at STP is called density. 1 liter of gas at STP is called density. So 1 liter means 1 liter ka weight is 1.25 gram per liter. 22 point vapor density we want 11.2 liters or otherwise 22.4 liter ka weight how much? This is the density 1.25 grams weight. 1 liter weight 1.25 grams. 22.4 liters weight how much? 22.4 liter means 1 mole. 1 mole means gram molecular weight. Understood, dear students? Problem number 43. Problem number 43. The empirical formula of gaseous compound is CH2. Empirical formula CH2. The density of the compound is 1.25 gram per liter at STP. The molecular formula of the compound. So 1 liter weight 1.25. 22.4 liter weight how much X? And then X equal to 1.25 into 22.4 liters. Then how much weight is this one? Understood?
28.
28 grams. This is what? Gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight. Molecular formula equal to N into empirical formula. N means gram molecular weight by empirical formula weight into empirical formula. Empirical formula CH2. Gram molecular weight is 28. Empirical formula weight. Empirical formula CH2. Carbon 12. Hydrogen 1. 2 1 2. 2 plus 12 14. 28 by 14 into CH2. Then 14 1 14 2 2 into CH2, which is equal to C2H4. C2H4. Then what is the answer? First one. Okay. So up to 45 questions completed. According to concept, this concept completed. (46) ऑर्गेनिक में आते रहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 46 ब्योमास मेथड, गेल्डार्स मेथड, परसेंटेज कैलकुलेशन ऑर्गेनिक में आते रहे. अदरवाइज चाहिए तो अभी भी सॉल्व कर सकते. दिस वन क्या है? ओके, फार्मूला देखो. 46 0.132 ग्राम ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड गिव 50 ml ऑफ नाइट्रोजन एट एंडिंग. द वेट परसेंटेज ऑफ नाइट्रोजन इन द कंपाउंड इज क्लोज टू. ओके, आई विल गिव फार्मूला, प्लीज राइट इट. ऑर्गेनिक में डिस्कस करेंगे दिस वन अगेन. 46 percentage of nitrogen equal to 28 upon 22,400 into volume of nitrogen at STP upon weight of organic compound into 100. This is the formula, right? This is the Dumas method. Again, organic में discuss करेंगे. Estimation of nitrogen from Dumas method. This is the Dumas method formula. Dumas method formula. Percentage of nitrogen equal to 28 upon 22,400 upon into volume of nitrogen at STP or NTP upon weight of organic compound into 100. 28 upon 22,400 into volume of nitrogen at STP. Volume of nitrogen how much? 50 ml. Weight of organic compound 0.132 into 100. Calculate करिए तो आपको percentage of nitrogen. Okay. Any doubt? Next problem. Problem number 47. Anybody calculate this one?
46.
46%. Answer is there, madam?
सर आंसर बुक में 47.34 वाला ऑप्शन गिवन है.
Next. 47. Problem number 47. A certain compound contains calcium, carbon and nitrogen. Calcium, carbon and nitrogen. Certain compound contains calcium, carbon and nitrogen. Mass ratio given. Mass ratio 20:6:14. अरे this is the element यार. This is the mass ratio यार. Atomic weight कितना है? This is the percentage of mass. Mass ratio given. Atomic weight. Atomic weight is calcium 40, carbon 12, nitrogen 28. Okay. 26:14 given, right? Calcium, carbon, nitrogen. So nitrogen 14. Nitrogen atomic weight 14 and calcium part, right? Percentage by atomic weight. Percentage by atomic weight. Ratio देखो. 20/40, 6/12, 14/14. This is the one. This is the 0.5. This is also 0.5. Then which is the least value? Understood, right? This is the element. This is the element. Percentage, atomic weight, percentage by atomic weight. Process समझना है ना? आपको पता है ना this one? Once again I will repeat. Don't worry. Problem number 47. Problem number 47. A certain compound contains calcium, carbon and nitrogen. A certain compound contains element, right? First write down element. Calcium, carbon, nitrogen. Calcium, carbon, nitrogen. Percentages, means percentage weight ratio 20:6:14. Atomic weight 40, 12, nitrogen weight is 14. Percentage atomic weight 20/40, 6/12, 14/14. This is the 0.5, 0.5, This is the 1. Least value 0.5. That's why 0.5 by 0.5. This is the 1. Simple ratio. Simple ratio. 0.5 by 0.5. This is also 1. 1 by 0.5 equal to 2. Okay. CA1, C1, N2. CA, CN2. Understood now? CA, CN2. Where is the answer there? Question number 47. A certain compound contain calcium, carbon, nitrogen. Mass ratio given. Percentage nahi. Sorry. Mass ratio given. Then directly number of moles are there. This one only. Mass ratio means directly a number of moles. This is the mass. Number of moles. 20 by 40, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 6 by 12, 1 by 2. 14 by 14, 1 mole. Means calcium, carbon, nitrogen, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1. Then what is the ratio this one? Ca, C1, N2. वैसे भी Ca, Cn2 आना चाहिए रे आंसर. Ca, Cn2 answer understood? अरे problem understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Answer is not there. Ca, Cn2. Next.
Sir,
हाँ मैडम.
first and fourth option same है.
हाँ for same है. फिर भी गलत है. Okay, the answer wrong, but process understood now?
Yes, sir.
Next problem. Problem number 48. Dear students, please listen. Problem number 48. The atomic mass of problem number 48. This is the M given. Atomic mass of M56. Empirical formula of its oxide. M and oxygen. M 70%. Oxygen कितने? 30%. M का weight is 56. Atomic weight 56. 70 by 56. 30 by 16. Because oxygen 16. Ratio find out करो. Understood, dear students? Its formula. Problem number 70. The atomic mass of metal M is 56 and its empirical formula of its oxide containing 70% metal. अरे 70% metal है तो 30% oxygen, no doubt. Metal 70 है तो oxygen 30. Atomic weight of metal is 56 given. 70 by 56. 30 by oxygen का weight is 60. Find out करो then. Ratio find out करो रे, exact ratio. Anybody calculated ratio? Seven times जो 7 8 जो है ना 215 2 8 जो 8 8 cancel 10 is to 15 2 is to 3 M2O3 is the answer. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
$49. Which pair of species have same percentage of carbon? Same percentage of carbon. 49. Calculate करने वाले रे. Percentage of carbon calculate करो. If you are getting same percentage, that is the answer. पता है ना percentage calculation? 49. Problem number 49. Which pair of species have same percentage of carbon? This is the acetic acid. This is the acetic acid. This is the glucose. C6H12O6. And percentage of carbon equal to carbon weight how much? The carbon weight how much? 2 carbons. 24. Total weight 60. 24 by 60 into 100. The percentage of carbon equal to 6 carbon. 6 carbon 72. Total weight is 180 into 100. Understood? So you are getting same percentages. Both cases same percentages. Because 6 4 का 6 10 जा. 18 10 जा 18 4 जा. 4 and 10 10. This is the 40%. Even this is also 40%. 40%. Then answer is first one. Which pairs of species have same percentage of carbon? Same percentage of carbon means answer first one. Understood? CH3COOH, 2 carbons, 2 into 12, 24. Total weight 60 day. 6 carbons, 6 into 12, 72. Total weight 180. 72 by 180 into 100. 40%, 40%. Understood? Next. Shall I repeat? Next. Page number 263, problem number 78. Page number 263, problem number 70. Oxidation state of iron in Na2FeCN5NO, Na2FeCN5NO. Okay. NO is the neutral ion. NO is the neutral ion 0. Cn is the -1. Sodium is the +1. Calculate. We want iron oxidation state. 2 into sodium plus 1 into X, 5 into Cn plus 1 into NO equal to 0. 2 into sodium plus 1, X plus 5 into cyanide minus 1 plus 1 into 0 equal to 2 plus X minus 5 plus 0 X minus 3 0. Then X equal to plus 3. Then iron oxidation number plus. Any doubts? Any doubt, dear students? Na2FeCN5NO. NO neutral 0, right? Sodium plus 1, cyanide minus 1. 2 sodium, 1 iron, 5 cyanide, 1 NO. 2 into plus 1, X 5 into minus 1, 1 into 0. 2 plus X minus 5 plus 0. X minus 3, 0. X equal to plus 3. Any doubt? Any doubt? Next. 71.
Sir, wait.
Nailika, shall I write once again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will explain once again. Don't worry. Right? Na2 FeCN5 NO. Iron oxidation number. That is sodium plus 1 here. Cn minus 1. NO 0. 2 into sodium plus 1 into X plus 5 into Cn plus 1 into NO equal to 0. 2 into plus 1 plus X plus 5 into cyanide minus 1 plus 1 into 0 equal to 2 plus X minus 5 equal to 0. X minus 3 0. X equal to plus 3. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Next. Next problem. Oxidation number of carbon in suboxide 71. C3O2, 3 carbons, 3 into X, 2 oxygen equal to 0. 3X plus 2 into minus 2, 0. 3X minus 4, 0. 3X equal to 4, X equal to 4 by 3. Okay? समझ में आया ना? Next. 72. Oxidation number of sodium in sodium amalgam. That is sodium amalgam means NaH. In metal amalgams, metal oxidation number 0. Metal oxidation number 0. Metal amalgam, metal oxidation number 0. In metal amalgam, metal oxidation number 0. Any doubt? Sodium amalgam, sodium 0. Zinc amalgam, zinc 0. Magnesium amalgam, magnesium 0. Any doubt? That is 72 question. Question number 73. Oxidation number of iron in Fe 0.94O. Fe 0.94O 1.0. Oxidation number. 0.94 into X equal to 1 into oxygen plus 1 into oxygen 0. 0.94X plus 1 into minus 2 0. Then 0.94X equal to X minus 2 equal to 0. Then 0.94X equal to 2. X equal to 2 by 0.94. Then 2 by 200 by 94. This can be written as 94 by 100. Then 200 by 94 is the answer. Any doubt?
Sir, please repeat again.
Any doubt?
Sir, please repeat.
Fe 0.94 O 1.0. Iron we want 0.94 iron 0.94 into X plus 1 into oxygen 1 oxygen 1 into oxygen 0.94X oxygen minus 2 1 into minus 2 0 0.94X minus 2 0 0.94X equal to 2 X equal to 2 by 0.94 2 by 0.94 can be written as 94 by 100 200 by 90. Any doubt? समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Right. 74. Oxidation number of sulfur in CH3 twice. Yes, 74. CH3 twice. Yes. 2 methyls. 2 into CH3 plus sulfur 1 into X equal to 0. CH3 का oxidation number +1. CH3 का +1. 2 into +1 plus X equal to 0. 2 plus X equal to 0. X equal to -2. Okay. Any doubt? Shall I go to next question? $75. Oxidation number of cobalt in 75. HgCO SCN 4 times. SCN का -1, right? SCN का -1, Hg का +2. So 1 into Hg plus cobalt, we have to find out 1 into X. 4 into SCN equal to 0. 1 into Hg, 1 into +2 plus X plus 4 into SCN -1, 0. 2 plus X minus 4, 0. X minus 2, 0. Then X equal to +2. Any doubt? Understood? Shall I go to next problem?
Yes, sir.
Dear students, next. Oxygen can show positive oxidation state in its compounds with which element? 76. OF2. In O2F2, oxygen exhibit positive oxidation state because of fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen. Fluorine negative, oxygen positive. Understood? Any doubt? Generally, high electronegative element negative oxidation state, less electronegative element positive oxidation state. But oxygen se fluorine only most electronegative. That's why with fluorine negative, oxygen positive. Fluorine negative, oxygen positive. In OF2 oxygen plus fluorine, in OTF2 oxygen plus positive oxidation state. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt, dear students?
No, sir.
I can't see, sir.
Madam?
I can't say anything.
You can't see. I think आपका signal problem, madam.